Refrigerated transport helps preserve freshness during delivery. The journey to the factory begins immediately after harvest.
Fresh cow's milk is the foundation of rich condensed milk. Strict hygiene is maintained throughout collection.
Natural cane sugar provides sweetness for the mousse. Only mature sugarcane is harvested.
Sugarcane is crushed to extract sweet juice. The refining process now begins.
Fresh milk and sugar combine inside vacuum evaporators. The mixture slowly transforms into creamy condensed milk. The fresh watermelon shipment reaches the factory. Every batch is inspected before processing.
Lot 7B is clear for processing. The sugar content is optimal.
Good, let's keep the line moving.
The cleaned watermelons are precisely cut. Next, the sweet pulp will be extracted. Automatic extractors separate the juicy watermelon flesh. The seeds and rind are removed for a smooth texture. Fine filters create a perfectly smooth watermelon puree. Only silky pulp continues to the next stage.
Rapid chilling preserves the watermelon's natural flavor. The puree is kept fresh before blending.
Watermelon puree blends with rich condensed milk. The creamy mousse base starts to form.
Natural flavors are carefully balanced. A perfect mousse needs both sweetness and freshness.
High-pressure homogenization creates an incredibly smooth texture. This step gives the mousse its luxurious mouthfeel.
The consistency is perfect now, light and fluffy. Yes, the aeration is complete. We can move to the next stage.
The viscosity is holding steady at 1500 centipoise, and the pH level. It's right within spec, 4.5. The texture analysis looks good.
Precision filling ensures every dessert cup contains the exact same amount. Automation guarantees consistency and reduces waste.
Gentle vibration creates a flawless surface. Every cup is prepared for decoration.
Fresh watermelon cubes add natural flavor and color. Each piece is carefully prepared for topping. A fresh mint leaf enhances both aroma and presentation. The mousse is now ready for final chilling. Rapid chilling locks in the mousse's light texture. Cold air ensures every cup sets perfectly. Heat sealing protects the mousse from contamination. Airtight packaging preserves freshness. Robotic systems pack every dessert safely into retail cartons. The finished products are now ready for shipping preparation. Every carton is securely sealed to protect the dessert during transport. Automated sealing ensures maximum packaging reliability. Every carton is checked for the correct weight. Any package outside tolerance is automatically rejected.
Looks good. Confirmed.
Robotic palletizers build perfectly balanced shipping loads. This improves warehouse efficiency. Cold storage preserves freshness before delivery. Temperature control maintains premium quality. Temperature-controlled logistics protect product quality. Every delivery is tracked in real time. From fresh farms to supermarket shelves, every step ensures exceptional quality. Now the delicious watermelon mousse is ready to be enjoyed. Proper refrigeration keeps every mousse fresh. Retail quality checks continue even after delivery.
Our watermelon condensed milk mousse uses only the finest ingredients, as Elena here is discovering.
Keeping the mousse refrigerated preserves its texture. Proper storage ensures the best taste. The fresh aroma is released as the seal is opened. The creamy texture is immediately visible. The light mousse holds its shape beautifully. Fresh garnish enhances both flavor and presentation.
The mousse is creamy, light, and naturally refreshing. Every spoonful delivers fresh watermelon flavor.
This mousse stays light without gelatin. Whipping and rapid chilling create the perfect texture.
Our recipe calls for only the freshest ingredients: ripe watermelon, velvety condensed milk, and a hint of fresh mint for the perfect taste. From carefully selected farms to advanced food processing technology, every step creates a premium watermelon condensed milk dessert mousse. Every production batch is tested for food safety. Only approved batches are released to the market. Shelf life testing confirms long-lasting freshness. Controlled conditions simulate real storage environments.
Strong packaging protects the dessert during shipping. Every design is tested before reaching consumers.
Every shipment meets strict food safety standards. Certification ensures international market compliance.
Refrigerated containers maintain product quality. The cold chain continues across long distances. Cold chain logistics protect freshness worldwide. The mousse reaches consumers across the globe.
That's the last pallet from the container.
Okay, I'll move it to aisle 5. Look at this design, it's so elegant. The condensed milk must be delicious.
From fresh watermelon fields to advanced food technology, this is how premium watermelon condensed milk dessert mousse is made.
After every production cycle, advanced cleaning systems protect food quality.
Every batch passes strict laboratory testing before reaching customers.
Modern factories turn food waste into valuable resources.
Temperature-controlled logistics preserve the freshness of every dessert cup.
A simple factory-made dessert becomes a premium experience.
Every step combines nature, technology, and precision.